Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Skoda Octavia Auto Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pathi Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a TSI engine with direct injection system. Engine displacement 1984 cubic centimeters Kuda Thurakanga. Fuel type Pathing and a petrol. Max power output Pathing and a 187.74 bhp at 4180-6000 rpm. Emission norm BS6 Kuda Thurakanga. Max torque Pathing and a 320 Nm at 1539-90 rpm. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission automatic and manual Kuda Thurakanga. Gearbox Pathing and a 7-speed DSG. Drive type Pathing and a FWD paddle shift yes. Curb weight 1430 kilograms. Next nama performance and fuel economy Pathi Pakalam. Mileage, array, 15.81 kmpl. Next nama brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathi Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson suspension Kuda Thurakanga. Suspension rear multi-link suspension. 1 longitudinal and 3 transverse arms Kuda Thurakanga. Brakes front ventilated disc. Brakes rear ventilated disc Kuda Thurakanga. Steering type electric Kuda Thurakanga. Minimum turning radius 10.4 m. Tire size Pathing and a 205/55 R17. Tire type Pathing and a tubeless, radial. Interior dimensions Pathi Pakalam. Rear shoulder room 1444 mm, front shoulder room 1468. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 600 liters. Fuel capacity 50 liters. Next variants and price tag Pathi Pakalam. Style 25.99 rupees lakh. Lauren and Clement 28.99 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam.
We used to look up at the sky and wonder at our place in the stars. This is the world you've made yourself. Now you have to live in it. The end is in our sights. The future is already here. No matter how hard we tried, we are doomed. Say your goodbyes. Brace yourself. I can see the end inside.
This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you.
3,
Save trees,
2,
safe motoring.